Hi! In front of me is OnePlus 11 and today I would like to show you how you can check all specifications of this OnePlus. You need to begin by opening Play Store and clicking on the search bar. Now type in Devcheck. Following that, install this free app from this developer, Flare2, Devcheck device and system info. When your app is ready, click on Open. Now thanks to it, you can read all the information about your device's dashboard, hardware, system, battery, network, apps, camera, and sensors. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, smash that like button, comment, and subscribe. Bye!